Are you struggling to lose weight and get from fat to fit? Today we're going to run through 5 mental transformation tips that are going to help you develop that fitness mindset and get into the zone when you're at the gym. What's going on, self-helpers, and welcome to Self-Help Yourself, the #1 self-help channel dedicated to becoming the best version of yourself. Today we're going to talk about the #1 thing that is running through most people's minds, and that is how to get from fat to fit, and how you can start creating that fitness mindset that is going to keep you on that journey towards getting towards your fitness goal. And on that note, if you are looking to lead a positive, happy and stress-free life, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications to never miss another video from this channel. So today we have with us Kaustubh Sharma. He's a skater and he's already gone through his fat to fit journey, and he's going to share with us some mental tips that are going to help you transform your mind and make it that much easier for you to get from fat to fit. So Kaustubh, welcome to the show, and tell me, what is it that kept you motivated throughout this entire process? What got you started on this journey of fitness?
So what got me started is that I was in my college days
Yeah.
when I started this journey of fat to fit. So I used to go out, like to the tuitions or college or wherever I used to go. I used to get bullied. I felt that something stuck into my mind that they should not treat me in this sense.
Yeah.
They should not treat me in this manner.
Yeah.
So that stuck my mind very hard. And
Yeah.
then I decided I should become the best version of me, no matter what. That is in the sense of my mental strength or mental fitness.
Yeah.
Also my physical appearance. So that people can be very nice to me. People find me more attractive, and people get more motivated when they speak with me and when they interact with me. So that's the thing which hit me and stuck me hard.
Yeah, that's very nice. I think people are always looking to find that one reason that starts to get them motivated on their fitness journey and keeps them on that fitness journey. That's really important, and clearly you had that reasoning laid out really well. That's what helped you get started and kept you going, right? To always go back. So what you guys can do actually is to have this imagery in your mind, having a process of thinking about what your future is going to be like. So vision yourself in your transformed state. Imagine how you're actually going to look and feel once you're transformed, and that will be the first tip I think that we can put across and help people get on their fat to fit journey. Okay, so what is the second tip that you can tell us with regard to getting from fat to fit?
So tip number 2 is you have to have a proper plan. That is a mindset wherein you can achieve your goal. Maybe not sooner, but even if it is late, you will have reached the goal properly. That is very precisely that what you had dreamt of to become. So what I did was I made a plan. I made a mindset. I had to lose all those carving stuffs, and I had to stop. I had to cut all those junks, and I had to be regular. I had to hit the gym regularly, and I had to do more of cardio. So I had each and everything planned. That is from getting up in the morning, hitting the gym, and my daily routine. So that made me even more confident that I can reach the goal. And this is the second best step which I can give to all those people who are dreaming to get fit from fat.
But not doing.
Yeah.
So guys, have a personally catered plan. So the thing is, people always look for the best program to follow and follow the best trainer or whatever it might be. But the thing is, what you need to do is find a plan that works for you. Make sure it is specific to your goals, and make sure that the plan is something that is long term. So again, we're looking to create a long-term plan that is not just going to, fetch you those results in the short term. So start thinking long-term and see what is going to work for you.
And I want to add one point.
Yeah.
Unless you give out the best, you can never find a best trainer.
Yeah.
That was my perception when I was working out.
Yeah.
So I haven't found my best trainer till date, because I am even still finding the best out of me.
Yeah.
So keep trying to find the best out of you, and then you'll obviously get a trainer who can train you better than the past trainers whom you have got.
Yeah. So find that best version of yourself within you and then bring it out every time you go and work out.
Yeah, exactly.
That's nice. So we've had about 3 tips so far. Can you share with us a couple of other tips that have helped you?
As you said, the mental stability is the main reason for for which I transform from fat to fit.
Yeah.
You have to keep your mental health mentally stable. You have to be mentally stable. So what I want to give the tip number 4 is that you should never be satisfied for the mid results what you have got. As you know, people start working out for 2 weeks or 3 weeks, they go shirtless and they just start seeing their biceps, triceps or whatever it might be. And some may feel very unsatisfactory that they haven't fetched any sort of result, but a little changes in their body can make them overconfident. That is okay, fine. Something is coming. So that might stop them from doing what they can do best. So I think they should not worry about the mid results what they get. Either it might be an added advantage. That is, either it might be a positive result or it might be a negative result. Just keep going. Keep going and never stop.
So with regard to how someone perceives the good and the bad, that's the most important thing, is to take it in the best manner. Anything else that you want to share with us?
So this is the last tip, that is tip number 5. I preferably give to all those who are dreaming and who are actually wanting to transform themselves from fat to fit. So that is, imagine yourself that you have got into that time wherein you have transformed. So you'll feel better. What's going on now and what will be happening in the future. So it's you'll be the best version out of you in the future, and you will be the reason for some other person's happiness. You can share your things, you can share your experience, and also during the journey or while you start your journey, the thing is, obviously you have to cut down all the junks and you have to cut down all the carvings, but the carving for the knowledge should be more. Exactly what I meant was that is, gain more knowledge, interact with all the persons, interact with your people who comes to gym, or interact wherever you go, no matter what. It might be about mentally, or it might be about some physical stuff or mental stuff, whatever it might be. That can somewhere at some point might help you to reach your goal. Maybe not sooner, but as I said, more precise and more particularly what you had thought to become in the future. So have a big dream. Don't dream small, dream big, and never get satisfied with the mid results, as I said, and then keep going. That's it.
Yeah. So on that note, I'd like to thank Kaustubh for coming on the channel.
Thank you.
Yeah. So so guys, if you're interested in learning more about fitness and psychology, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications to never miss another video. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. And Kaustubh has a blog. What's it called?
thebarbellguy.wordpress.com. All the workouts, all the suggestions and all the workouts which you need are free, and you can also email me through the blog if you want a particular workouts or anything which I can help you out.
Yeah. So leave your comments down in the section below about what struggles you have with fitness, and Kaustubh will come down and help you out with them, and I will give you some of my own tips as well. So that's all for this video, guys. This is Vikram signing off, and I'll see you in the next session.